Hello everyone, thank you for watching the video of our smart door lock NX1 model, and this is the full package of the door lock: the front panel, the back panel with the battery cover, latch, screw, and key, and our small card. And recently we found some misunderstandings from our customers, so we made this video to answer the questions. Firstly, the key problem, because without the latch and spindle, the key function is dysfunctional. For example, so that's why people say the key is dysfunctional, because we need to install the latch and the spindle to test. So we are here to show you the correct instruction. First, you need to install the latch on the door, but the point is here. You need to put the spindle inside here and cross and this is the back panel. And fix the screws. And then we put 4 batteries. So after the lock battery install, this is the full step, and then all customers will receive our lock in default status. So default status, the code number is 1 2 3 4 5 6. So now let's test the key function. Okay. We need to press the handle to open the door. So please note that the correct default status number is 1 2 3 4 5 6. And if the incorrect one, the random, for example, cannot open,